Hello, I'm Kirtian. I'm from HM Institute of Technology, Chitradurga. I have completed my BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering and I am a 2022 passed out student. When I passed out my PUC, I didn't have an idea to join an engineering course. After joining, unfortunately, I have joined engineering. After joining, I thought I took good decision in my career. I realized that an engineering graduate with the top-notch qualities and knowledge will get high rewarding career in industry. In the fourth year of engineering, I have taken a training in automation at TECHNOLOGICS, which provides a training on basics of C, embedded system and Python, and also they will give an hands-on experience. I feel this is a great place to learn and develop skills as per the industry requirement. Then our team, and also I thank to team for encouraging me and allowing me to take training. During the training period, I have got offer from Robert Bosch company with associate software engineering role with the package 6 lakhs per annum, and I am very happy to share this news with the Technologics, and our parents are very happy after hearing this news. At the last, I would mention one point about Technologics, that it's a very great place to learn and progressive in terms of latest technologies and innovation. Thank you.